Viewers, subscribers, just vibes here. Welcome, people. I hope you're alright, I hope you're doing okay. So, Tamale Sparta sentenced to 3 years in prison for gun charge. My people, I did a video earlier about this, I'm telling you, say, what today will be the day that will decide Tamale future, which we did hope him never get a lengthy sentence, and it turned out to be that him get 3 years, which is reasonable. It's reasonable, and we kind of glad for that, my people. You get me? Because we know that him never there go scotch free. You see it? I mean, he would have to actually do some time. Right? Now, of you are subscribers, we're glad to hear that, my people. And yeah, him get 3 years. People will say speculation, but it has been confirmed, people. I'm telling you earlier, so yo, once me have full information as to what really happened after him visit today, me I come make you know, and that me actually I don't know. So the 3 years, we're glad him never get a rougher sentence, because we see Ladin get at least 6. You get me? So we hope Tamale get like up to 7 to 9 based on his history with the security or the justice system. So I mean, his lawyer, his defense team did a great job. I heard. You get me? Today in court, and the people, it's a good look, right? Yeah, and it was done or held in front of a camera, so I don't know the thing go. You get me? And we have here information now, say him get 3 years, right? Now, will he serve the entire 3 years? It's a possibility we'll just do 2 years, or at least 1.5, my people. And that's a good look. At least him can focus on himself some more now and do a reality check. So by the time him come out, him for ready to do some music. And yes, him still have unfinished and unpublished music, or we kind of wait upon same way. We see a whole heap been a job for the past couple of days. Some people sad say him not get let out, but in reality, he had to be. It was inevitable. Same day I just get to scotch free, so I do sometimes. The greatest thing is that he might do 3 years, which you can run up that with ease. Quick time. And it's not a guarantee say I'm do the entire or the whole 3 years. So that's a good look, my viewers, subscribers. In regards to Ritical case now, we are not sure as yet. I'm still away upon information for Ritical, right? So as soon as we get enough information for Ritical, then we can actually make know what go on. But in regards to Tamale Sparta case, he going to be served 3 years. 3 years. Good look, my people. I remember I already telling you, say, what you know, once me get more information, I make you know. And see ya, breaking news. 3 years him get to serve. You get me? And me telling you, say again to Tamale Sparta is a good artist. A whole heap of people rate him. Him ratings are normal. It's just him for just pre-back life now and realize say you have some loyal fans. So me could just do some music and lower the violence thing. That's all him have to do right now, my viewers, subscribers. Focus on the music, and then it will take him far. Because the back and forth with the justice system, police look for you, soldiers look for you, it don't make no sense for people. You see it? And we have to realize that the system kind of use the artists them as example now. So once them get a chance for putting away, them are putting away. But it appears as if luck was on Tamale Sparta's side today, and we appreciate that. You get me? We appreciate that. Now we need to know what really are going for Ritical. If them are going to remand, because Ritical scenario is kind of different, It's a high possibility they might remand Ritical again. You see it? But if not, let's see how much years him we serve. Will it be 4 or 5? I also mentioned earlier in the video, say Ritical also has a good lawyer as well. You get me? We are do some tremendous work, so we are wait for hear how much here Ritical will get. But my people, as me telling you, 2 good artists, 2 talented artists, I want to see them boss way. But me also want them learn from them mistake. I want them learn from this and know say you're going back or going forward. Them load the little waste things. Like we know say your people are fun, so we want to be strapped at all time. Right? We know the thing they're gonna view our subscribers. But if we can get some man around, wanna pay if you walk with them weapon here. That's done better than actually walk with the illegal weapon and I get myself in a trouble. And know the system kind of pre already. You see my people, so more demand them understand themselves. And my people, even though I only cover 2 artists there are also another artist as well, dancehall artist, who is actually who went before the court today, but me not no information on it me either. You know, I was just saying that I was just going to focus on Tamale and Ritical, except the upcoming dancehall artist who is also facing gun charges. Now, I'm going to also do a video on Ritical also, but as me tell you, I kind of wait for confirmation about Ritical case. I don't want to just jump and do a video without enough information. But it has already been before the court. The information is out there, but for some reason I haven't gotten any hold of the information as yet. You know, hope it's just pure positivity. You see, like, this is a good news so far, you know. Despite a 3 years time leak it, whether I don't like it or not, it's a good look, because once somebody has faced gun and ammunition charge and their past history with the justice system, trust me, them can put it for some time. Them can get at least 10 years. May I tell you? You see me? So, if you see Sparta get 3 years, my people, it actually a good look. And it come like me can read in the future. Because I did say earlier, yo, I wonder if based off of the base and the lawyer team we have, I wonder if I get at least 3 or 4 years. Right? And see them get 3 years. Also, worst case scenario, me that look point to see your problem can also get more years, because this man here has always been back and forth with the justice system. You get me? And when you know all the things that go from back and forth with the system I'll make an example out of it. And worse the case as it was being drawn out from January come all the way to March. So with your hope say your worst case scenario, then put him with some good time. So 3 years, me know Tamale Sparta can run off them 3 years. And me know, as me say, it's a high possibility him not gonna do all the 3 years them, which is still a good look for the entertainer. As me say, my people, more of the man them learn from this. Focus on music. Stop getting yourself in a problem, brother. You see, especially when you have talent. Me hate to see artists who have talent put themselves in a them compromise position here. And Tamale, for one, is a talented artist, my people. You see, I mean, even if you're not a fan of his music, you have to commend him for his talent. You get me? Him have good talent and want him work on some music. Focus on some music. Give us some hit song and represent the culture and stop do the foolishness them, my viewers, subscribers. But more want to think is he to think that he was tried fair and think say him get a fair trial. You get me? More want to comment in the comment section below. I really don't appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribers yet, please do so now. My viewers, subscribers that don't know how the thing go where the culture, right? So drop some comment in the comment section below when you think about the trial of Tamale. We are awaiting critical result. Will he be remanded or will he face some time? Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.